We had this first for you on KLTV.com. Tonight, an East Texan is sharing her story of seeing a fireball in the sky believed to have been caused by a Chinese rocket.
This map shows the trajectory of the rocket as it passed overhead today around 3:15 this morning. The American Meteor Society received numerous reports of a bright object that passed over Texas and Louisiana during that time. New tonight, we met with an East Texas woman who witnessed that fireball, as well as a professor who explains that sightings like this may be more common than you think.
Shannon Beeson couldn't sleep last night and just happened to step outside at the right moment.
When I walked out, I saw what looked like fireworks, just like multiple streams of fire, I guess.
The National Meteor Society says what she saw was this: a Chinese rocket body falling back into the Earth's atmosphere.
And there were probably 10 to 12 shooting up into the sky, and then 3 of them came, more overhead until they just burned away.
The rocket was used to launch a satellite in May of 2012 from China, and Wednesday morning fell back into the atmosphere. Louisiana DPS trooper Clifton Meyer sent us this picture. At the bottom of the screen are lights on the ground, but he says what is inside the red circle could be the rocket. The National Meteor Society says more than 24 people in Texas and Louisiana reported seeing a fireball in the sky.
At first I thought it was a plane crash, and then I realized it was high enough in the sky that it most likely wasn't that. So then I was just unsure what it was.
The excitement over this begs the question, just how often does this happen? The easy answer is a lot.
There's a lot of space junk up there.
Robert Parrish says that NORAD is tracking about 19,000 objects orbiting the Earth right now, and about a ton of it falls every year.
Orbits are not perfect. Okay, they don't stay into exactly 120 miles into space. They decay over time, and that's due to lots and lots of different things, but ultimately it's due to gravity.
Beeson says she doesn't expect to see anything like this again.
I think it's a once in a lifetime. It's definitely one of the coolest things I've seen.
Lexi Cook, KLTV 7 News.